How to make money in the stock market. 7 calculated ways to start. We all want to know how to make money in the stock market, but if you're a beginner investor who wants to learn how to invest in stocks, there are some things you should know before you begin. The stock market can seem like a confusing maze that most of us don't want to tread. It is one of the greatest ways to generate passive income and build wealth. So if you are interested in learning how to make money in the stock market, keep watching. What is stock market? Stock market is the market where shares of stocks are bought and sold. The stock market is a giant market. Meanwhile, the largest stock market in the world is the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. It's the largest stock exchange in the world. The NYSE is based in New York City, and it is the home of some of the largest and most successful companies in the world, such as IBM, Microsoft, Apple, Ford Motor Company, and McDonald's. Is stock market a game of luck? The stock market is the biggest arena in which average investors compete for wealth. It is not just a game of luck, it is a game of skill. The trick is to learn to analyze the market signal to be able to spot trends, patterns, and opportunities. Then, use your expertise to invest wisely so that you can make money than others. Functions of the stock market. The stock market is the mechanism of buying and selling shares of stock. It is one of the oldest ways to invest in companies and other businesses. Similarly, the stock market is also known as stock exchange. In the stock market, there are two major sub-markets, primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is where the shares are sold to raise capital for the company. They are the ones that provide first-hand commodities. In contrast, the secondary market is where the shareholders resell or repurchase the issued bonds and stocks. An example of a secondary market is the over-the-counter market. In addition to the standard ups and downs of the market, there are plenty of ways to make money from investing that can help you weather tough times. Does stock market is legit? You may not know this, but there are hundreds of thousands of people who make a full-time living by investing their money in the stock market. Even if you are interested in investing yourself, you're probably interested in learning the basic principles and strategies so you can avoid making some of the mistakes that new investors make. There are plenty of resources available online to teach you the basics, and in this video I'm going to share the exact resources and techniques that I have personally used over years to generate consistent profit and avoid the majority of the common mistakes that people make when investing in the stock market. I'm going to share some of the most powerful ways to make money in the stock market today. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my technical solution channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. Number 1. Find the right broker. There are many factors to consider when choosing a broker, including fees and commissions, how many traders you'll be doing, and whether you'll need access to a wide range of trading instruments. Yet, the type of broker you choose will depend on your needs and how you intend to use your account. For instance, if you're a beginner trader, you probably be fine with a basic online broker, but if you're a second trader with a large portfolio, you may want to look into a broker that offers a source of tools and resources. Number 2. Create an investment strategy that fits you. Every business needs a financial plan that fits its growth, and investment strategy must be tailored to your current stage of growth, your current level of expertise, and your personal risk tolerance. The longer you stay in business, the more conservative you should become. Similar rules apply to stock market trading. The more you take cognitive risk, chances of your success become frequent. Number 3. Research the best stocks to buy. It is important to do your research before you invest in any stock. Even though there are a lot of websites and content out there that can tell you what to buy and sell, nothing beats personal experience. Above all, you need to be willing to spend the time and effort to read everything you can about a company before you buy stock. You also need to pay attention to how the stock trades in real life. Number 4. Time to put your money in stocks. Now it's time to take a deep breath and dive into the stock pool, but there's a lot more to it than just putting your money into stocks. Investing in the stock market takes a lot of preparation. You'll need to invest in the brokerage account, read up to the market, and make sure you have a plan in place for when and how much you want to invest. Number 5. Analyze and trend line. Trend line are the most basic tool used to analyze the market. This graph shows the year-over-year growth of a company's stock price. The trend line is the line that connects the 2 points of the graph. In this example, the line shows that the stock price of this company has been growing at a steady pace. However, the growth rate has recently slowed, suggesting that the company's growth is no longer increasing. This can be a signal for investors to sell or short the stock. Number 6. Be patient and don't panic. Remember that it's not just making money, it's about having the peace of mind that comes with knowing that you are investing in a stable and reliable company that will continue to grow. Number 7. Build your portfolio. Stock marketers are great for this. They allow you to invest in a variety of companies, which means you have a diverse portfolio. You also get the added benefit of being able to easily sell your shares when the time comes. Make decisions, sell or buy. The decision to buy or sell a stock is very personal one. Some people prefer to buy stocks. They think that the stock market is the place to make money. Others prefer to sell their stock because they think the stock market is too risky. Whether your reason for buying or selling a stock, it is important to know what you are doing. When you decide to buy a stock, you are investing in the company. You are putting your money into a business so that it can grow. When you buy a stock, you are actually buying a piece of company. You will be entitled to the profits that the company makes over time. If the company makes a lot of money, you will make a lot of money too. Conclusion. In conclusion, the bottom line is don't trade with borrowed money or money you can't afford to lose. Instead, use a strategy that will make your money consistently that you can live with. If you want to make money in the stock market, the smart thing to do is buy something that you believe in. That's the only reason you are investing in the stock market in the first place, so that you can make profit when others do. As long as you don't lose your shirt, you'll be fine. And that's the secret. You don't have to get rich, you have to earn and learn a little bit every day and keep growing with passion. Thanks for watching.